If you've been waiting for the right time to get on Kajabi, now is probably the time. Kajabi is doing something that they almost never do, and that is they are offering a discount. That's right, they're offering a 20% discount on monthly plans. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you get on the different plans and how the prices are different with the 20% built in to monthly for the first year. My name's Lane. I love to help people start businesses around their skills, knowledge, and passion. And I love to help people get on Kajabi. One of the ways that I do that is I offer some bonuses to help you get started when you get on Kajabi. You can get this discount and my bonuses at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So when you go there, you'll see the link to get the 20% off discount code right now. Just click that and it will take you to Kajabi, where we'll dive into the pricing and all that. But I want to talk about my bonuses really quick. First of all, with my link, you get the Kajabi Accelerator course. This is the course that I put together to help people get the best start on Kajabi. You get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me to talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, talk about how you can get the best possible start on that platform so that you can hit the ground running and be successful right away. And you get my 25K course launch email template. These are the exact emails that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in its first 3 launches. Those 3 bonuses plus the 20% off are yours when you use my link right now, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Now, if you'd rather do the 30-day, you can still get the 30-day free trial plus all the bonuses that I mentioned. It's all right there on that page, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Let's dive in. When you click on that, it's going to take you here. Let's take a look at the prices and see what they look like with these discounts built in. Now you can see there are only 6 days and 10 hours left on this plan. So if you're watching this like later after the 11th of October and you're like, dang it, I missed out. Again, you still get a 30-day free trial with my link and you still get all those bonuses. But if you're thinking about jumping onto Kajabi right now, this is the time. Now, Kajabi, if you don't know, Kajabi is the place to put your entire business, your courses, your memberships, your podcast, your community, your coaching, all of it exists in one place, and that's on Kajabi. Before I got on Kajabi, my online business was like literally everywhere. I had my email marketing over on ConvertKit. I had my podcast over on Buzzsprout. I had my website on a self-hosted WordPress site using Bluehost. I was building a course on Teachable. I had leadpages.net for some landing pages. I was all over the place. And like a lot of people, I was spending a ton of money on all of these different pieces of software, which added up to way more than what Kajabi normally cost. So when Kajabi reduces their prices like this on monthly plans, it is an amazing, amazing opportunity to jump into something that's already an amazing deal for even that much less money. So let's dive into what this looks like. 20% on any monthly plan for the first year. What this means is that you've got a 12-month head start. You've got a runway where you're paying 20% less every month. And during those first 12 months, it's like you get a head start. You get a runway to get going with your business and get it going fast. Now, if you're just jumping onto Kajabi and you're wanting to build a couple of products and you're wanting to do some email marketing, maybe build out your website, I definitely recommend most people starting with the basic plan. It is almost all you need unless you're already doing online business and you're moving a bunch of stuff over. If you're starting from scratch, you might as well start on basic because you can move up at any point. With this, you get 0% transaction fees, which is awesome. That means that anytime you sell a product on Kajabi, they don't take any of that money. Other places do, Kajabi doesn't. You get 3 products. So a product is like a course or a community or a coaching package. You get 3 funnels. A funnel is just a series of emails and landing pages that lead to a product. You actually have more than 3 funnels because you can build them out manually, which I do all the time, but you do have 3 automatic funnels that they'll populate for you. Unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails, 10,000 contacts, 1,000 active customers, 1 website, and 1 admin user. There's a whole heck of a lot on there for $119 a month. Now, if that seems expensive, it includes everything, and that's something that you have to keep in mind as you're looking at this. Now, if you need to grow the growth plan, it's awesome, $159 a month, and you just get more of everything. Instead of 3 products, you get 15. Instead of 3 funnels, you get 15. unlimited landing, unlimited marketing emails, 25,000 contacts instead of 10, 10,000 active customers instead of 1,000. You still get the one website, you get 10 admin users. Plus, with this, you get access to the affiliate program, 24/7 chat support, advanced automations, and the ability to remove Kajabi branding. Those are some of the things that you get when you're on the growth plan. Pro, $319 a month. This is if you are like hitting the ground running and you're just wanting to get after it. 100 products, 100 funnels, 100,000 contacts, 20,000 active customers, 3 websites, 25 admin users. It is the Mac Daddy of plans. So if you need to get on there, that's awesome too. For most people, start with basic. You get $119 a month for the first 12 months, and you can cancel anytime, which is the part of this that's kind of nice, is that because you're not locked into an annual plan, if you get into it 3 months down the road, you realize it's not really for you, you can cancel it, no problem. Now, if you take my coaching, go through the Kajabi Accelerator course, work with me one-on-one, chances are you're going to be successful in your business. You're going to want to stay on. You're going to have a lot of fun. Over the next several days, I'm going to be diving in every single day with a new Kajabi video, showing you how I just did something really cool. I used Kajabi to do a live webinar that led to a live course, a live cohort style 6-week course. I'm going to walk you through over the next several days exactly how I did it. The cool thing about this is that when you jump into Kajabi, as soon as you have content out there and you have people that are interested in what you're doing, you can start doing things like what I'm going to teach you how to do. You can do live webinars that lead to a live cohort style course, or a live webinar that leads to a course that you built. No matter what, you can start doing it, and you can do it right now for 20% off. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So just to review, if you're watching this before October 11th, you get all of this cool stuff over here, the 20% off plus the bonuses. If you're watching after the 11th, you still get all the bonuses. Instead of a 14-day free trial, you get a 30, but you just don't get the 20% off. And again, this is always available. So you could jump to this right now if you just want to get the 30-day free trial and hit the ground running, but you're going to pay the full price. With this plan, you get the 20% off, little shorter free trial. It's your decision. All of it is at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So go there, start your free plan, and watch this video right here to check out more of what Kajabi can do.